Most bad videos fail because of the same 4 things: AVLS, or audio, video, lighting, and stable shots. Audio refers to what sound is accompanying your video. This could include natural sound from an environment, dialogue between 2 characters, or music. Audio is a third of the video viewing experience, so it's important to never neglect it. Let's take a look at an example. As you can see, I'm currently outside using the camera's built-in mic, and the audio is near unusable and very distracting for the viewer. If I were to quickly attach a lavalier mic, the audio is much clearer and the shot is no longer ruined by its sound. Here's a quick run through of some resources you can use to capture good audio. Shotgun mic. General environmental sound, good for capturing room tone. Lavalier mic, a small mic that goes on the talent's body, used for capturing dialogue. Handheld mic, a mic held by talent used for interview footage. Video is everything related to what your camera captures. Be mindful of your composition, leading lines, headroom, and other facets of video. It's important to create a visually engaging video in order to best reach your audience. If your footage is sloppy, you will lose your viewer. Ask yourself these questions when shooting. Is my shot properly focused? Can I incorporate the rule of thirds in my shot? Is there too much headroom? Is the camera level? Is this shot type right for this scene? Keeping these in mind can elevate your composition and create videos that are engaging for your viewer. The rules of composition can be broken, but there must always be a good reason, and it's important to understand the rules before you break them. Lighting works in union with composition to create visually appealing shots. Bad lighting can destroy your video. Shots where the light is facing the camera, light that's too strong, too weak, and more distract viewers and destroy their immersion. When working with natural light, which is difficult to manipulate, you'll need to maneuver the camera to properly light the shot. You may choose to use a studio light, and if so, you need to know where to position it. 3-point lighting involves a key light, fill light, and backlight. You can make do with just the key light. Just always keep in mind the emotion and visual the lighting gives your viewer. A lack of stable shots is an amateur mistake that instantly drags down any video. A shaky shot can make a viewer feel off balance and, more importantly, distracted. If the shake is egregious, the shot may be unusable. If you wish to incorporate movement into your shot, instead of simply walking around with your camera on a tripod, pick up a gimbal. Much like composition, rules may be broken, and you can run and gun handheld, but it must always be for a good reason. For a majority of shots, keep your camera on a tripod or a similar stabilization tool to eliminate distractors in your videos. AVLS may seem daunting at first, but it's important to always consider it in every shot. Prioritizing it will create videos that are engaging, thoughtful, and professional.